What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "Woman Berates Job Center That Doesn't Meet Her Standards." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
On December 11th, 2024, officers responded to a call from a job center regarding a trespassing.
Hello.
Hello, thank you guys for appreciating it.
Yep, no problem.
I'm the one that I called. My name is Caroline. I'm working here from EBS Services, and I just only here taking interview from Avis and Budget car rentals and Six car rentals. I have one applicant. She didn't give me her name, or he didn't give me his name. She came in.
It was a man and woman, or just a?
He said that he's both.
Okay.
Yeah, he came here. I just only sitting down there with those two ladies. They all present the situation. The only thing that I say is, man, I have you.
He both? Wait, hold on. We not just gonna skip past that. Like, wait, hold on now. The only people that could really be both is people that's born with the two parts. You feel me? You know, it's like 1 in a billion kids. You know what I'm saying? They be born with male parts and female parts. If you know, you know. I hope no one has to experience that. But if that's what you into, hey, that's what you into. You know, I ain't judging. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna keep it rolling.
Driver license so I can check that in our system. And no, I'm not going to give you my information because I'm not going to work with you, bitch. And very disrespectful. The overwork that you
When they left, did you see which way they went?
this way. When she left, they all present the situation, and I have one person that he's presented the situation that he say the same thing. Hey, stop disrespectful.
All right, we'll circulate the area, try to make contact. The person was wearing all black as well.
Yes, black.
Black shirt, black pants. What kind?
Yes.
Jeans or?
Green tumble. So, like, you know, like they do the do rags.
Okay.
Like green, like they're the same color basically all outfit.
And basically black and black.
Yeah.
All right, and it was a black, maybe male, female, Hispanic, white,
But I figured it was
black.
Yeah.
Okay. You have your ID, just so I can write down who I'm talking to, and then I came out and we'll tell you we're gonna try our best to make contact.
Sylvia, you gotta take on to it?
Yes.
Is this her?
Oh yeah.
That's her?
Yeah.
Oh my god, let me move a car for $18 an hour and full time. Let me just dwindle myself to a stupid job.
Okay.
Yeah, like
So when you got there, you're like, no, I don't want this job.
I was like, ew. And then she started speaking Spanish as if I didn't take Spanish too.
Okay. All right.
And I was like, babe, where's Caroline? I've never. Oh, she actually called me. Are we here now? Oh my god, because I have so much to say.
Go for it.
Yeah, literally. I was like, I already left a message to actually Caroline. This Caroline in here. It's like, and I'm like, are you Caroline? She's like, no. And I'm like, ew, this is really disgusting. Do we really do job interviews at a stupid office?
I guess some places do.
No, it's crazy. No, where is
they
the
have a
office? Where the sports club? Where's autonomy? I'm coming out with, dude, I got my socials for this $13 an hour. Like, this is so stupid. So I guess I just lost patience.
And you kind of got into a little bit of an argument.
No, I was literally, an argument would be dumb. I just was like, this is ghetto. Y'all are ghetto. I left, I said, this is stupid. Are you serious?
All right.
And she was like, I'm gonna call the police. Oh my god. Oh yeah. And I don't know what she thinks she is. And I was like, babe, how much you get paid? Do you get paid to be a bitch? I'm not a quarter of you. A quarter of a bitch. I will admit that. I said, you get paid to be a bitch? Because you're a bitch. How much you get paid? And then how much, because I speak Spanish. I don't know, no, un poquito de español, but I don't. Yeah, I can't, but I can speak.
Yeah, but here's the thing, though. You worried about how much she get paid, but you the one that's in there looking for a job. Like, you're a bitch. How much do you even get paid? Do you even get paid? But you in there looking for a job, though. You complaining about $13 an hour, but you knew that already, though. Like, what the hell?
I want words. I'm from Florida. I'm not that stupid. I'm really not down. This situation is stupid. I should have put myself into it, and then it was just dumb. I've never seen somebody do a job interview and they don't go in a room that's closed. And I never been on a job interview and talked to somebody who was the hiring. I'm like, where's the hiring manager? And she's like, oh, she's not here right now. And I'm like, this is ghetto.
Okay.
So you're not gonna take people into a room and like hire them and do that, and we're all waiting like for $13 an hour. This is stupid. You shouldn't even did call that. You wasted my money. It's gonna cost me $30, $40 to get down, and I'm talking to you. You're wasting my money. You wasting my time, and you're wasting his time. Cause you're a bitch. She's a bitch. She's not Caroline. I already talked to Caroline. It was Caroline. I don't know who. I don't know.
That was
I don't know why.
that was Caroline that you spoke to.
That was Caroline? Yeah. Well, Caroline.
From my experience.
Yeah.
So how did you get here? You took like a cab or an Uber or something?
Yeah, I was just actually calling it. And look, I have it right here. I have the right way back home. Right.
Overall, the same.
Are they on the way?
Yeah, well, I have
number 1179.
She really called you. I kind of love that. Because I be wanting to talk to people. Because I'm like, oh my god, who do I call? They're going to be like, Danny, why would you even, did you really think you're going to drive a car? Caroline is a bitch. She's a broke bitch, actually. So I just keep it real.
Let me ask you, do you have ID with you?
You calling somebody else a broke B word, but you looking for a job though.
You, literally, my whole life is in here, but there's no reason for it. I'm drinking coffee. I did nothing.
I know you're drinking coffee,
I
but
get it.
at this point, they've kind of wanted you on the outside of the building.
Right now, you're actually, you guys being here, let me step outside, and then maybe, but I still don't have to give you my, I'm done with my food, I'm drinking coffee. So even you guys right now, and me talking, you're causing. So you get that?
Okay.
Yeah, I have my, do you need my social, my passport? I can give you all. But you don't have to give me Caroline. I'll mind my business.
Yeah.
And I will. If Caroline will be a big woman, I'm be broke the rest of my life.
Man, she better call that Uber and get up out of there quick before she get locked up.
She's like, and I was like, and she was like, oh my god, sir. And I was like, oh, she a hoe. I already know it. Caroline a bitch, she a hoe. Why would you even do a job? Are you the hiring manager? And she is. But she's so disrespectful. And why would you even, you bring people into a room, like the whole situation was just ghetto. I'm gonna call my Uber. Thank you. It went down. That's good.
I'll go back there.
No, I won't. What the? I just been eating. I got 2 Cuban sandwiches and drink coffee con leche. Like, are you serious?
That's fine. You know what?
And she's still worried about me. Like,
As far as us,
she's triggered.
we're good. We're done with this situation.
Yeah, I'm
Just
done.
a quick heads up.
I will never come back on this.
Yes,
premises.
and the only thing is that they don't want you anywhere inside.
I don't belong here. I don't know.
You said okay, and your Uber is on the way.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Girl. I just don't like the whole, like, it was ghetto. I'm not used to that. I was like, this is weird. And she was just like, and then everybody's like sitting. I think it's, she I can't even put my finger on it.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
I can't even put my finger on it. Like, you don't do, if you're hiring people as a hiring manager, you don't put everybody in one room and put them on a time. Everybody, you don't hire people and say, oh, you come at this time, right? And then you have people in a room. And this is not a casting call in Hollywood, bitch. This is a $13 an hour job. So I'm not sitting and waiting. Yeah. It's either we could do this over the phone. Do I take the car there and do it there? This is, I don't know who the think you are or what you get paid, but bitch, Caroline, bitch. Oh, she probably called you after I called her.
All right.
Because I left a message, but I thought she wasn't Caroline. That's Caroline?
Yeah.
She weird.
So your ride is on the way, right?
Yeah, I'm
Be safe.
double-clicking. Look, I'm double-clicking, processing, 19.
What's your
I'm done.
All right.
All right, thank you guys.
Yep. Take it easy.
I respect y'all. Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Oh no. Oh no. 15 minutes later, the video is not over with. Listen, oh man.
You are unbelievable.
You were given one command:
I
don't
gave
go
her
back
a
in.
tip.
Not to go back in. You were
command
told
me
not.
to do something
Yes, I
that's not-
can.
It's-
You're not allowed in there anymore.
I'm not allowed where you have to trespass me.
Yes.
There are things that you have to do. You have to trespass me. I'm not in somewhere you can trust. I need to get in my Uber and I want my stuff. Search my bag.
Yes, I'm gonna search all your stuff.
Oh my
To find
golly.
out who you
So
are.
I'm gonna lose my Uber? Oh, and you got my stuff. Can I get my coffee? Oh my god.
Ma'am, there's something wrong right now. There's something wrong right now.
No, I want to get my Uber and I wanted to give her a tip.
No.
There's nothing wrong. So right now, you're gonna put me in a car
Yeah.
for tipping her. And
No.
everybody saw-
For
everybody-
trespassing. For trespassing.
didn't
You were told
you-
not to come back in
You
a
can't
bunch of
do
times.
that.
You were told not to
That's
come back in a
not
bunch
how
of
law
times.
goes. That's not.
Ma'am,
So
please.
when am I resisting arrest? Wait, am I arrested? For
Yes,
what?
yes, for
sir?
trespassing. For
But
trespassing.
you can't.
Ma'am, I'm
you
sorry.
You have to literally
She ain't
trespass
sitting in
me.
the car. Get her
I gave
together.
her a tip and I drank coffee.
Tighten up.
So you are like right now. My Uber's there. You're
No.
doing too much. Let me go to my Uber and let me go home and give me my
She ain't
documents,
acting right, man.
please.
I have all your
You
documents here with
do.
me.
So give it to me and give me my coffee and let me go.
No, the
I
coffee's gonna
gave
stay
her a
there.
tip. So
Go ahead and
please.
put your leg in there so I don't have to charge you with resisting.
You look very. No, you don't look smart.
Ma'am, you don't want to be...
I don't. Please.
but
give
you are
me-
resisting right now.
No, that's a $6 charge. If
Come on.
I am not resisting arrest. Why am I arrested, sir?
Trespassing.
Because I gave her a tip.
For trespassing.
You can't. I have to be trespassed for trespassing.
Yes.
You cannot arrest me for trespassing if I'm. Where are we going?
To my district office.
Get her together, man.
I mean, you should take your purse or something. I could have. I don't know. You already checked in. I don't have anything. I don't know what we're doing right now. He's so annoying. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done with my life. He's searching for drugs. At least I look cute. And he just looks so stupid on his little remote control Mikey thing. It's just, I don't know. It's like, is this real? I can't believe this is real.
Yeah, because you don't listen.
Have you ever had trouble with the law before?
No, never.
Well, you
I
gonna
love
learn
the law.
today.
That's how we stay in order.
I told her you're 97.
That don't make no sense. Grab your coffee and go. Simple. People just don't learn. They just don't learn. I think the cops did pretty good, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think they did pretty good. They did a pretty good job, man. You know, I'm gonna say 4 out of 5, because they were really patient. Where all of her just like blah 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 blah, like, you know what I'm saying? They were really patient, got their point across and everything. So, you know, how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.